Here's an interesting question for you. I have two different setups. So in both the cases, one of the surfaces is rough. So I have a sandpaper over here, and here sandpaper is on the wall, and I'm going to place a pen in this position in both the cases. The question is in which case it falls. Now we have seen that the pen falls easily in this case. Did you see? But while it stays here comfortably. When if I increase the angle a bit, it stays. Interesting, isn't it? So let us try to understand the mechanics behind it. Why does pen stays when the ground is rough? It doesn't matter how rough is the wall, but all that matters is the roughness of the ground. So let us try to understand the physics. So when you keep a pen over here, so when the pen is touching the wall applies a normal reaction force in this direction. Basically, wall is trying to push the pen this side. So there must be an opposite force in this direction, in the opposite direction, to balance the normal reaction force. And this opposite force is given by the friction. More the roughness on the ground, more the friction it can apply. So normal can easily be balanced by the friction because the sandpaper can generate enough amount of friction. But here the case is very different. So here the sandpaper is generating normal reaction force, but this surface being smooth is not able to generate a counter friction force in this direction to balance it. Isn't it interesting? So this same concept can be used while we hold a ladder. So we always have a confusion. Should wall be the rough or the ground? So here's the answer for you. If ground is rough enough, then you need not worry about the ladder being stable. All that you can do is you can just keep your hand here to balance it, because this is where you require a force and not anywhere else.